Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to configure print settings on Eka EMR. Print settings will help us to decide what information should appear on the printed prescription and what can be hidden. Let's see how to open print settings and to configure print settings. Let's start a visit for this patient by clicking on Rx right. And inside the Rx pad, let's fill all the details. So I am clicking on templates and I am selecting a template to fill the prescription. A detailed video is available on how to create a full prescription template. If required, please watch that video. Let's add additional details under symptoms and diagnosis. All the details are added. So let's add these details under lab investigations. Let's click on the preview button and preview the prescription once. As we can see, symptoms, diagnosis, medications, prescribed lab tests, advice and follow-up. These are the details we have added on the prescription. As of now, under symptoms we can see fever, since, severity, cold, since when, what is the severity, body ache, duration and severity. But let's say under symptoms we do not want property headers to appear. What we can do is we can close this page. We can click on print settings. When we come to symptoms, we can enable hide property headers here and we can click on apply changes. So let's preview to check the changes. We can see that the property headers are removed under symptoms. Similarly, let's say under medications we do not want property header to be visible. On all the medicines it's mentioned as tablet, which is the product type. What we can simply do is we can click on this close button. We can click on print settings. We can go to medications and we can disable product type. Let's say we do not want the generic name too. We can disable the generic name and we can click on apply changes. Let's preview the changes after doing print settings under medications. Now we can see that the generic name and product type both are removed. Similarly, let's say we do not want to show advices on the prescription. Let's close the preview and we can simply click on print settings. Scroll to advices and we can simply disable and click on apply changes. So when we preview it, advices are removed. Now let's say under patient form, we do not want the UHID to appear under the patient form. We can go to print settings, scroll to patient form, disable UHID and we can click on apply changes. Now if we preview, we will be able to see patient's UHID is removed. So this is how simple and easy it is to make the print settings, which makes our prescription clear. And this step is not required to be done over and over. Until we require other changes to be done. We can control how our prescription should look when printed or shared with the patient. Print settings help us to save time, avoid unnecessary details to be printed. It maintains a clean prescription format to follow our own printing preference. So let's click on Finish Prescription. Let's click on End Visit. Thank you for watching.